Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss one very interesting algorithm. Okay, suppose I am giving you two numbers or two digits. Okay, suppose one is 2, another one is 3. Now I am telling you make 10 numbers using 2 and 3, using only digits 2 and 3, and that numbers should be arranged in ascending order, that is small to large number. Okay, so what you will say? Okay, so obviously first number which can be formed using 2 or 3 is 2, second one will be 3, third one can be 22, right? Fourth one will be 23, fifth one can be 32, next one can be 33, then like that it will go, right? Next one will be 222, next one will be 223, and what will be next? I hope you can understand easily, that is 232, next one 233, and so on. Okay, so these are the numbers which are basically formed using only digits 2 and 3. Now you have to write such algorithm which can implement that. Okay, whatever I have discussed in my previous videos, using that only this particular problem can be solved. Pause my video, try to think about one algorithm which can be used to solve this particular question, implement that, check whether it is giving correct output or not. If it is not giving correct output, no need to worry, here I am explaining. Okay, so for solving this type of problems, that suppose somewhere in a particular code you require to generate all the numbers in ascending order, and that number, all the numbers should be formed using some particular digits, then the best data structure which you can use is queue. Okay, how we can use queue? See, try to understand the algorithm first. Suppose we will consider this as one empty string. Okay, initially empty string. This is looking like one string with space, but consider this as empty string. Now what we can do with this empty string? Suppose 2 we are appending or concatenating with this particular empty string. So basically this new string will be 2. Okay, what we are doing, empty string plus 2 is 2. Then this is one possibility, but I have one more digit 3, right? So with this particular empty string I can append or concatenate 3, and I will be getting 2 and 3, right? Then now I have two options, either go with 2 or go with 3. What I can do, I can append 2 with this particular 2. So as a result we will be getting 22 as a string. Okay, another possible way is I can use 3 also for appending or concatenating, so I will be getting 23. Okay, then here what we can do, with 3 we can add either 2 or 3. So suppose I am adding 2, I will be getting 32, and suppose I am adding 3 with that or concatenating 3 with that number, I will be getting 33. Now like that I hope you can make the down part also. So what is basically happening, see, now you just traverse level wise, that is, this is one level. Okay, this is one particular level. See what you will be getting, the numbers 2, then 3, then here 22, 23, 32, 33. Is it matching with the sequence? Yes, it is matching. So we need to implement this kind of tree format. How we can do? Very simple idea. Suppose we are having one queue. Okay, queue data structure, how you can form, already I have discussed in my previous video. So what you can do, first of all, I will append or insert 2 and 3 in the queue. Okay, then I will pop the first element, because you know queue always first in first out. Okay, 2 is entered first, so 2 will come out first. I will pop 2. So what I will be having in my new queue? Only 3, right? Nothing else. Now the popped element is 2. What I will do? I will convert this 2, which is maybe in integer, to string. I will convert, and I will append or concatenate 2 with that and 3 with that. So I will be getting two numbers 22 and 23, that I will be again appending or push, I will perform basically push operation in the queue again. So what will happen? 3, then 22 and then 23. Okay, and each time whatever element you are basically popping from queue, store that in another list. Suppose I have one list which is basically will be our output list. Here I am defining one empty list. Okay, so first popped element is 2 comma, and our new queue position is this one, 3, 22, 23. Now again do pop operation, 3 will be removed, so this popped number will go to this list also. So our new queue becomes basically 22 and 23, right? Now what I have told you, 3 came outside, right? With this 3 append 2, with this same 3 append 3. Okay, that is 2 and 3, those digits we using which we have to form the numbers. Okay, and then again push those in the queue. If we push, we'll be getting 32 and 33. Okay, now in the next iteration I will be popping this 22. So as soon as 22 will come, just add that in the output list, and our new queue is looking like this. See, 23, 32 and 33, these are the elements. Now the popped element is 23, 22, with that append 2, with that append 3. So 22, if we append 2 will be getting 222, if we append 3 will be getting 223. Then again push that in our queue. Okay, so 222, here it is pushed, and here also 223. Okay, so like that, if we go on, see what is happening in our output list. 2, 3, 22. In the next iteration 23 will be popped up, in the next iteration 32 will be popped up, in the next iteration 33, in the next iteration 222, in the next iteration 223. Like that it will pop up, and see, this is nothing but our sequence. Okay, so basically this is the simplest algorithm. What we can do, first insert or push those digits using which you have to form the number, then pop one by one element, append the digits with that, push that again in the queue, and iterate or perform the same thing again and again, that many number of times. Suppose I am asking you 5 numbers, then you have to run your this particular loop 5 times. If I am asking you 6 numbers, 6 times you have to run the loop. Like that you have to implement. Okay, so this is one application of queue data structure. Now let me directly go to programming part. So let me open Jupyter notebook. So what we can do, the algorithm is quite simple. What I have explained, that's only we are going to implement. First one, x equal to, suppose we are taking int input. Okay, enter the first number. Okay, we are taking the first number as input. Y equal to int input, then enter the second number. Okay, we are taking two numbers, basically not numbers, these are basically digits we can say. So let me just change this to digits, it will be more accurate. Okay, then we are taking one output array and we are forming one empty queue also. Then n equal to int input. Okay, how many numbers you want. Okay, I am just writing randomly message. Okay, you can give more professional message also, no issue in that. Okay, so I equal to 0 I am defining, and then in the queue I will be storing only string representation so that it will be comfortable for me for appending. Okay, so queue dot append, I have already discussed append function, append method in list. What it does, it basically add the new element at the end of the list. Okay, so convert to string representation x, because x is basically input, then again queue dot append string representation of y. Okay, now this is primary thing is ready. Now we can start our loop. This I equal to 0 we are defining for loop. So while I less than n, I equal to I plus 1. Okay. Now, so each time what we will do, we will pop the first element from Q, because Q follows first in first out or last in last out principle, right? So ES equal to Q dot pop. What is the index? 0, right? Because first element we are extracting. Now this is what? This is basically string, because we have appended after typecasting after performing typecasting from integer to string, right? C has string, but our output should be integer. So what we will do, before appending in the output list, we will again convert back to integer. Okay, and then what I have told you, with the popped element you have to append your 2 digits x and y basically, right? So what we can do, suppose x, okay, ex equal to, our popped one is es plus, see, x and y are basically in string, they are present. So let me just typecast to string of x, and then after appending with x, we will push that in the queue. So append ex, job is done for ex. Another digit also we have to do the same operation. Suppose let us take that as ey. Okay, ey equal to, what is our popped one? Es variable, right? Es plus a string of y. Okay, then again pop that q dot append ey. I hope our algorithm is done. Let us check whether it is giving some error or not. Just let me print L. Okay, so if I run the code, enter the first digit, suppose 2, enter the second digit, suppose 3, enter how many numbers you want. Suppose I want first 10 numbers. If I run, see, first one 2, then 3, then 22, then 23, then 32, then 33, then 222, 223, 232, 233. Okay, suppose I am showing just one more other digit, suppose 5 and 6, suppose 20 digits I want. Okay, see, 5 6 55 56 65 66. Okay, 555 556 565 566. All these are in order. Most beautiful part of the algorithm is it no need to sort, it itself will arrange in order. This is the beauty of property of number system. Okay, so basically this algorithm is quite powerful. Wherever you require to form the numbers using some particular digits, then you can use this particular algorithm, and this is very important application of Q data structure. Okay, same code I'll be posting in the comment section. If you want, you can check there, and don't forget to check my previous video where I have explained Q data structure. The link I'll be posting in the description box. Okay, this is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment, and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.